dock up there. Now wave goodbye to the people you've never seen before. Hi everyone, welcome aboard the world famous Jungle Cruise. We're world famous for being world famous around the world. My name's Skipper Melina and I'll be our skipper for as far as we get today. Just a few reminders to increase our chances of survival and returning back to the dock. Please remain seated with your hands, arms, legs, and feet inside the boat at all times. And parents, watch your beautiful children and the ugly ones too. They also have feelings. Oh, and guys, look, just up that way on your right-hand side of the boat, you'll see your first signs of wildlife. What those creatures walk on their hind legs. They're often loud. They often travel in packs, and I heard they like to stand in 3 to 4 hour lines. Yeah, look at them. They even wave with their forearms. That's so crazy. Guys, look, on your left-hand side of the boat, you'll see crocodiles in their crock pot. Oh, that's pretty cool. Ooh, the tiger. Do you know what side of the tiger has the most stripes? It's the outside does, sweetheart. And look right there, everyone on the left-hand side of the boat. That is our concrete evidence. We will be seeing elephants on this cruise. And guess what, everyone? We have found them. We are now entering a sacred Indian elephant bathing pool. They all have their trunks on today. We checked, so don't feel weird. So I'm going to take photos of them. Yeah, yesterday they didn't, and it was awkward. Over there, the waterfall, that's Bertha. I mean, everyone's sitting on their bottoms. I'd rather have you overexcited than overboard. And over there, we don't spend too much time in the water. Turn into an elephant. It almost happened to me a couple times. I'm kidding, I'm jealous. Come on, Squirrel, we talked about this. Come on, stay down, stay down. Duck. Look at that duck in the creek. That's so cute. I would never use a 10-year-old danger, that's for sure. It's not dangerous. Didn't go off under the boat. Little one on their bottom. Little one's on their bottom. So we need to be on our bottoms. Safety's first here, friends. Over on the right-hand side of the boat, you will see Dr. Ternowski's camp. He told me to make sure this doesn't happen again. You know what? I'll pretend I didn't see it. No one's on that, right? Yeah, at this point, I think it's the girl with the strap that he's filming all the shots over there. Oh, did you guys see the Jeeps? They left the lights on. Now they'll never get it to turn over. Right here on the right-hand side of the boat, everyone that's greedy Bob. Don't make any sudden movement or noises like a banana. The gorillas, they find it very appealing. Friends, bottoms. Yeah. Straight ahead is a rock formation with a duck on top of it. As you turn the corner, you'll see the Nile River, everyone. The Nile River is the longest river in the world. It goes on for Niles and Niles. And Niles, and Niles, and Niles, and Niles, and Niles. And if you don't believe me, guess what? You're in
Denial.
a boat. You're in a boat, B-O-T-E boat. On the left-hand side of the boat, everyone, that's an African bull elephant. That's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, so definitely take your photos, my friends. You'll never see another one ever again. Yeah, I promise you. What's that noise? Oh, guys, look. That is an African bull elephant. That is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity right there. So definitely take your photos. You'll never see another one ever again. Fun fact about them, they're actually known for having a really good memory. I wish I had one. Your head in a tree, that's I don't know. We're in an African drought. I'll name the animals. Stripey horsies, bearded horsies. You see the really tall ones? Trees. Well, different trees are long neck horsies, and look at that stripey horsey. He looks dead. Tired. Dead tired. Yeah. So sweet. The wives are having him for dinner. Having him over for dinner. Oh my goodness, everybody, look up to the right-hand side of the boat. You'll see Skipper, he looks at the very bottom. Today is his first day, and from looks of it will also be his last. I don't know why he's missing his number right now. They always get their point across. Yeah, I just forget about that. You know what, guys, I took a wrong turn somewhere because we're very slowly coming up to a hippo pool. Here at the Jungle Cruise Navigation Company, we staked 12 boats through here last week. Don't worry, only 12 of them are mine. I'm scared. Oh my goodness, they're wiggling their ears and making bubbles, my friends. I need everyone to cover their ears. I'm going to scare them away. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Now confused. Yeah, just save your life, you're welcome. Are you okay? I warned you, don't worry. Yeah. Oh guys, look, you got that tree hippo too. You gotta watch out for them especially. You know why? Because before you know, it's gotta fall right on top of the boat. Yep, takes it out, sinks it. And guys, if you look straight ahead right there, that is what you call a chimp wreck. Yeah, but we should get out of here. We don't want to be part of that monkey business. So funny, they're not even monkeys, they're chimps. Completely different. No, I was telling a story about why they're so different, but it's just one long tail. On the left-hand side of the boat, everyone, you'll see Maggie and Annette. I heard Annette's quite a catch. Oh, look at them. They're giving each other butterflies. Oh, how sweet. You know what, friends? I like butterflies and all, but they're just not what they used to be. Caterpillars. Caterpillars. Anyways, guys, I need everyone to use their imagination for like 2 seconds. We are now coming up to the 8th wonder of the world that's currently missing and invisible, so I need everyone to use their imagination to see it's still there. On the 8th wonder of the world, the backside of water! Woo! O2H. Look at it go, it's so beautiful. Don't ask why it's not working on it either. Anyways, guys, we're now in an area known for fishing. Talking about the fish here, they work really well. They work really well. But they bite really well. They don't work, they bite really well. Yeah. What is it about me? I forgot. I think something to the effect they bite really well. They start with, what was it called? Oh yeah, that's what it was. Everyone, these are hungry piranhas all the way from Hungary. Don't ask me how they got here. I don't even know. Save your lives again, you're welcome. Straight ahead in the tree, that's a really big snake. As we turn the corner, you'll see Trader Sam's gift shop. Before anyone asks, no, we did not leave those monkeys in charge. We left the elephant. That is an African bull elephant. They're known... Sorry. Oh, sorry. That's an African bull elephant. That's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity right there. Definitely take your photos. You'll never see that one ever again. Ellie! You guys might think it's water. It's not. Anyways, we're coming up to the most dangerous part of our cruise now. We're returning into civilization. As you approach the dock, keep your hands, arms, legs, and feet inside the boat. We don't want to scratch the dock, it's brand new. Before we all part our separate ways, I would like to give special thanks to all those who laughed with me today. Thank you for laughing. And for those who didn't, thank you for leaving. I mean it. You've definitely all been a great crew, that's for sure. And I mentioned every time I've said it today. Any birthdays on board? Any birthdays? No birthdays? No birthdays? Friday! Okay, we can count it. Whose birthday? Yours? Your birthday? Okay, perfect. What's your name? Cecilia's birthday's Friday, so I need everyone to clap, 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 clap. This is your birthday song. It is a very long. Nailed it. Happy birthday, Cecilia. Happy early birthday. Early birthday. Oliver, we turning 10. Yeah. Okay, cool. Just know me. With everybody else, it's okay. You've been an outstanding crew, but now I need everyone outstanding somewhere else. So 2 very special words. I've been wanting to say thank you to my boat. Get out. And please.